So this is going to be the room tour of our split level family room in the TUI Orquidea in Gran Canaria. We've got me in here, we've got my wife and our little boy Noah. He's almost 2 and it's been a pretty decent room, so we're going to take you in, show you everything. Front door is here, and as you walk in through the front door, then on your left you have a bathroom. So we go into the bathroom and turn the light on. Now we are halfway through our holiday now, so we are well in good use of it, but you've got nice big walk-in shower, tiny little step up to it, but it's lovely. Shower's really powerful, nice and warm if you need it nice and cold. Great big mirror with a sink down there, little stool if you need it for your little one, and then toilet over here. Plenty of towels, and they have a little thing on the side that basically says, where basically if you leave your towels on the floor, they will come and change them every day, but if you don't want them changed, then don't leave them. So like we hung them up on the first day, but then change on the second day, I think. So then coming out here, you can do the step. Come on, show everyone how to do the step. Ready, go. Well done. Little step. And coming out here, straight into a couple of cupboards, which you've got full length mirror on one, and then this is a lot of storage space. So we've got shelf on the top, hanging rail there, space down the middle, on the side, and down the bottom with a couple of, I think that's a spare duvet in there. Yeah, we've not used it though, obviously, because it's been roasting. But that's the first cupboard. Then next to it, you've got a whole set of shelves with drawers down there. Do you need to get a towel?
Yeah.
Okay, then go get one. So we've got a whole set of drawers and a little safe in there that, again, we've not used, but you can use if you need to. There's a little thing on here, how to program it if you need to do that. Then going into the main room looks like this. So you've got great big 2 single beds on here, which have been, to be fair, really comfy. Yeah, big beds. Really comfy, with a little bedside cabinet and a plug on both sides, and light switches for the main light here. I think the main light's in the room. On this side, you've got another bit of storage space and a bench. There is space under the beds to put your suitcases, but our suitcases are too fat to go underneath. Yay, you saying hi? They're too big to go underneath, so they've not actually fitted under there, so we've just stacked them along the edges, but that's been absolutely fine. That is a big bottle, isn't there? And the same down here, bedside cabinet, shelf. And then we come to the steps, which when we first got it, we were having kittens about him going up and down them, but he's been very sensible, which has been nice. We've not had any accidents yet, we're only halfway through. But hopefully we won't have any accidents. Yeah, so they are the steps. They're not bad. You've got given a kettle with some tea, some coffee, bottle opener, and a couple of glasses. You've got a nice little area here where you can sit and get ready. Hair dryers there, as you can see. Mini fridges down here. Came with a big, like, 2 litre bottle of water in. It's the fridge, isn't it? Should we show them? Oh, the light's not come on. Is it still working? Oh yeah, it's still cold inside. Well, we'll have a look at it. Normally the light comes on. 1 second. There you go. Worked it out. Just had to push the little clip at the top and it worked again. So that's working in. So you've got a little bit of chocolate in there to keep it cool, but not a lot else at the minute. We do put our water bottles in there during the daytime to keep them nice and cool. Then we've got a couple of little tables though, and the cot that they gave us, which is perfectly good for Noah. And you've got all the sofas there with all our toys and various bits and pieces around. Can you climb on the sofa? Can you go climbing?
No.
No? Oh, you will now you've seen the laptops there, won't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a mistake. Silly daddy.
Daddy.
I move that up there to you.
Daddy.
There you go. Look, it's a good sofa, isn't it? Easy. And then the view outside. Now we are in a low level room, so we've not got the best view, but it's a nice compromise because we don't have to use the lift particularly. We're on the first floor, and so this is what you can see outside the door. You can see the sea down there. The swimming pool is literally just the other side of this building, so you can hear them all splashing around, but you just can't see anything. Then it goes all the way up there. But yeah, the fact that we've got not the best view is worth it because we don't have to use the lifts, because the lifts are a bit slow. And then you've got a couple of chairs, table, and a little drying rail if you need it. We're using quite a bit. So that is our room, and I must admit, I wasn't too sure about it when we first got here. But having been in it for 3 or 4 days, it's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, bed's super comfy.
Beds are super comfy,
And
super big.
They do. You can put a little card up every day, can't you, if you want your room cleaning or not.
Yeah,
And they are pretty good, to be fair.
they are. They didn't on, I think it was the second day we were here, they didn't clean it, but then we were in here quite a bit when they were having a nap.
Yeah.
Yesterday we weren't in here as much, and they cleaned it yesterday and sorted all the bedding out and all that.
They do say as well, though, unless it's needed, you only get your bedding changed once. They won't do it.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
So it's on the TUI Blue app, so you can have a look at that. But they did it for us. They changed towels if you put them on the floor.
Yeah. Just generally mop the floor, that type of thing, didn't they?
Yeah, make the bed for you. It's lovely.
Yeah.
Can't really
So-
complain.
It has been pretty good. We quite like the room.
I would say there has been a couple of bugs around, hasn't there? But I do think that's just because it has been so hot. Like, the actual cleanliness is lovely, and I know a lot of people have been complaining like online, but we've had no issues of it.
No, it's been absolutely fine. It's just nothing you wouldn't expect in a hotel abroad.
Or at home, to be fair.
Or at home, yeah. Bugs are everywhere.
Yeah.
But we're very happy. So,
Yeah.
let us know if you've stayed in one or if you're going to stay in one, you got any questions, and we'll try and answer them because we're here in August 2023.
Yeah.
So as long as it's not
High season.
2032, we'll remember most stuff and let you know.